The new variants of the e-tron GT series combine a progressive design with innovative technology, each having a distinctive look. For example, the new Audi S e-tron GT stands for elegant sportiness. Its front end is homogeneous and expressive at the same time. A black mask encircles the fully closed inverted single frame, which reflects the specific design language of the e-tron models. Embossed structures lend the grille a precise three-dimensionality. A strip of body color paint above the single frame gives the Gran Turismo an even sportier and visually deeper look. The air curtains, which ensure optimized airflow around the front wheel and the front apron, are more strongly shaped. An elegantly designed aerodynamic diffuser with vertical fins dominates the rear end. A body color inlay above the rear diffuser adds even more visual texture and acts as a link between the diffuser and rear bumper.